Hello and welcome again to my channel.
In my previous video, I showed you how I was able to achieve an ombre effect using two different colors of Expressions hair, and in this video I am going to show you one of the styles that I did, so stay tuned. I decided to use the longer length of the hair extensions to twist my hair, and in this video I'm doing the Senegalese twist. Senegalese twist is when you twist the hair extensions with your hair from the root and then you twist as you twist. It gives you a much cleaner look in my opinion, and that is the style that I wanted for this particular hairstyle. Initially I wanted to do larger twists than what you can see in this video, but as time went on I thought to myself it will probably look much better if I am to do it from small to medium. And the reason why I didn't want the larger ones was because I thought it might make the hair too heavy for me to carry around for the length of time that I wanted to keep this hair in. For this particular style, you still have to keep twisting as you twist even after you go past the length of your hair. Now when it comes to the parting, I did not have any special technique. I basically just detangle the hair with a comb and then feel my way around the hair. I will show you what I mean by that, because it's very difficult to basically see what you're doing when you are braiding your own hair, especially when you don't have anyone to part it for you. So in this part I am just detangling the hair again with a comb, just make sure it's smoothed out, and then I just feel my way around just to see, or I can't feel to see, I feel to feel the size that I'm trying to pick to then twist the hair. So basically, yeah, this is what I did. Many of these patterns or many of the individual twists will be different size because of this method. Because you can't really see what's going on up there, and a lot of the things that you do, you have to sort of like feel your way around up there. I tend to detangle my hair with the extensions quite often just to make sure that everything is smoothed out. As you can see in this shot, it looks a bit messy, but I did get to work with it properly. It was a struggle. Some of them were quite a bit of a struggle to basically get through it. But as I kept on going, I think I was able to work it out, as you can see in this particular one. It is quite difficult, obviously, because you are doing your own hair to see what's happening up there. But I think my advice would be that before you take the hair extensions to braid or to twist your hair, as I'm doing here, just detangle the hair extensions as well as detangling your own hair, and making sure that you comb through it as you are twisting or as you are braiding. Otherwise it will be all tangled as you are twisting or as you are braiding. This way it will help you to control the hair extensions as well as your hair as you braid or as you twist. Detangling the hair extensions before using it on your hair makes it easy for you to control the hair, because it makes the braiding or twisting very easy. It also makes it look a bit cleaner, I think. Do not be afraid to keep combing through it even when you go past your hair. And as you can see, this method looks very neat. I think the twist looks very neat. I believe it's due to the method, and as well as just basically making sure that there's no tangles and it looks semi-professional. I'll say it looks wearable. As long as it looks wearable, I don't mind, I don't care, as long as my hair is done. I twisted the hair extensions until I got to the very end and left it as is. I did not put this in hot water either. And as you can see, the finished product, I think it looks very neat. And as twist, it will look neat for a while, but as time goes on, it will start looking messy. And because I twisted from the root, I also have to make sure that I take it out within a couple of weeks. Otherwise, my hair will not add roots, which I don't want. And in this shot, you can actually see how it looks outside. I had a few cuffs and I was able to put that in, just giving you a close-up of how it looked once I was done. I did not gel the front of my hair because I don't like it, so yeah.
Hello. Well, the hair is complete and I have some extra to show you how long it is and how it looks with the ombre effect that I was trying to achieve.
Here you can see how long the hair looks from a bit of a distance. You can also see the ombre effect as well. This hair was not heavy at all. I did not want it to be too heavy. That's why I decided to do a twist. Usually when the hair is too heavy, it just hurts my neck and it just makes the whole thing uncomfortable. And also, I don't usually put any edge control or gel on my edges because it flakes. So usually when my hair starts to look a bit of a mess on the front, I'll just take it out and then retwist it. So I'm just giving you a full view of how it looks. Obviously not professional, but wearable for until when I am done with it. This is how I usually wear the hair. I just gather it this way to keep it away from my face while I do like a side part with the hair. I feel like it suits my face a lot better this way. So yeah. So obviously this is how it looks sideways, at the back, and then the sideways, just coming closer so that you can see my scalp. As I said, I did not have a way of parting that hair. It was just feel and twist.
So if you are looking to follow the same steps as I did to have an ombre look, whether this color or a different color, this is how it might turn out, depending on how bright you wanted the tips to be. I wanted the black to show a lot at the roots. I'm not too sure if I achieved it, but it looks like I did. From looking at the pictures, it looks like I did. I am looking to keep this in for a month, only because of the way I did the twist. I don't want my hair to nut at the roots. The hair with your hair, you twist from the roots and then you twist while you twist the hair. I have not put the tips in hot water. I think I prefer it this way, and that's because, as I've shown you before, I did wash it in water and hang it outside, so I like the way it looks and the way it feels. One other thing I also love about this is it's not heavy at all. It's completely different to the box braids that I would do, which was extremely heavy. So I'm very happy that this twist here is not as heavy as when I do the braids. Another thing is, I don't know how many packs I used, and obviously as you can see, they all vary in sizes. Some medium, some maybe smaller. Usually when I get to the front of my hair, I don't use huge hair extensions. I just use a bit because obviously the front of the hair is, your edges is very delicate, so it's a bit smaller in the front, but some of the ones at the back are quite big. If you have any questions, just put it in the comment section and I will do my best to answer anything else that you want to know about this hair. But so far so good. How many hours did I use to twist? I would say if not 6, then 8 hours, and that's because I started yesterday. The idea wasn't to do twists, the idea was to do knotless braids, but once again I didn't like how it was turning out. I decided to twist the hair instead, and I think twisting it was a little bit quicker, I feel. And so yeah, this is the end result. Let me know what you think about this. And oh yeah, the cuffs, I still can't find, I bought some gold cuffs and I can't find it, so I used a silver one. It looks a bit off because obviously I would have loved to wear gold with this, but we're going to rock it as is and pretend that there's nothing absolutely wrong with this hair. Like this video and leave me a comment to let me know what you think about this, or how you would go about doing your own ombre effect hair using expressions or whatever hair. So until next time, I hope that this video has helped someone who wants to achieve an ombre look and doesn't know how to.
When I was twisting this hair, I did not add any pieces as I was twisting. So I don't know if there is a method out there where you can add pieces of hair as you twist, but I only used the hair extensions from when I started twisting the hair to twist it. So I didn't add any pieces, and hence why it is very lightweight. You can see that some of the length are longer, especially the one at like the back of my head. And yes, the length may look uneven. I still didn't want to cut it because I wanted it to have that feather ending so that I can like wrap it up when I am going to take a shower or when I am going to sleep, so I can put the hair bonnet on it. Finally, going back to my staple and favorite style. I'm happy with how this hair turned out. I'm happy with how the color transitions from the root to the tip of the hair and how it actually looks this way, as well as when I tie it back. If you do have any questions, put it in the comment section and I will get back to you. If you do try this style or this sort of blending, do put it in the comment section as well and let me know how that worked for you. If you do like this type of videos, do let me know and I'll continue to show you how I do my hair by myself. Any techniques that I end up learning, I can share that with you. I know there are a lot of YouTube tutorials on how to do your hair, and so I hope that I've been able to help somebody who is trying to do their own hair or trying to achieve an ombre effect or ombre hair blend using two different types of expressions hair or any type of hair that you may be using. And yeah, so hopefully yours also turns out as good and you look as good as I do and feeling myself right here.
Until next time, it is goodbye.